Listen up, you donkey. Buffalo wings. They're not just food, they are a symbol. A delicious, messy symbol of good times and great company. When the game is on and the crowd is hungry, nothing satisfies like a plate of perfectly cooked buffalo wings. They are crispy on the outside, they are juicy on the inside, and they are slathered in a sauce that's the perfect blend of spicy, tangy, and utterly addictive. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a kitchen novice, this recipe is your ticket to buffalo wing heaven. We'll cover everything. You'll learn how to prep the wings, you'll discover the secrets to crispy perfection, and you'll master the art of the perfect buffalo sauce. Get ready to wow your friends and family with a plate of wings so good, they'll be begging for more. Before we start cooking, you need to gather your ingredients. This is your arsenal, your weapons of flavor destruction. Get these ready and let's get started. For the wings. 2 pounds chicken wings, split into flats and drumettes, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and half a teaspoon paprika. For the buffalo sauce, half a cup hot sauce, Frank's RedHot is classic, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, melted, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and half a teaspoon cayenne pepper, optional, for extra heat. For serving blue cheese dressing, celery sticks, and carrot sticks. Now that you have gathered your ingredients, it's time to prep those wings. Don't even think about skipping this step, you hear? Proper prep is the key to crispy, flavorful wings. First, pat the wings dry with paper towels. You want them as dry as possible. This will help them crisp up nicely. Next, in a large bowl, toss the wings with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Make sure the wings are evenly coated. Now, here's a little trick for extra crispy wings. After seasoning, let the wings sit uncovered in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or up to 4 hours. This will help dry out the skin even more. Now for the main event, cooking the wings. We'll cover 3 methods: baking, frying, and air frying. Each method has its own advantages, so choose your weapon wisely. Baking. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or foil. Arrange the wings on the baking sheet in a single layer, making sure they're not touching. Bake for 40 to 45 minutes, flipping them halfway through until they're golden brown and cooked through. Frying heat about 3 inches of oil in a large pot or Dutch oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Carefully lower a few wings at a time into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pot. Fry for 6 to 8 minutes or until golden brown and cooked through. Remove with a slotted spoon and drain on paper towels. Air frying. Preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Arrange the wings in the air fryer basket in a single layer, making sure they're not touching. Air fry for 20 to 25 minutes, flipping them halfway through until they're crispy and cooked through.